Let's get fucked up and die. I'm speaking figuratively, of course, like the last time that I committed suicide, social suicide. Yeah, so I'm already dead on the inside, but I can still pretend. With my memories and photographs, I've learned to love the lie. I wanna know what it's like to be awkward and innocent, not belligerent. I wanna know how it feels to be useful and pertinent and have common sense, yeah. Let me into the club, 'cause I wanna belong and I need to get strong. And if memory serves, I'm addicted to words and they're useless. In this department, let's get fucked up and die.